Hallelujah, hallelujah, I'm so glad to tell. Hallelujah, hallelujah, I'm alive and kicking. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. All my mouth lean to backside, but I'm still at church. Father God, I ask you to heal this face right now. Father God, right now, I don't even know if to think about my face. I'm so paranoid, I'm still at all the faith. Because I believe in you. But you know, my face and my ID, and it traumatized me every time I look at it. Father God, I don't business who wants to say me a hacker, me a drama queen. Who feels it, knows it. Who can stand by me and who feel like say me too much, me I stand by myself and you always stand by me. Them love me when I'm sweet and I'm nice, and when I'm awful and my face right, them can't stand me. And them I'm disgusting, but I'm not disgusting to me. Long live Queenie. This too shall pass.